In the rugged, dynamic world of construction, where raw materials morph into structures, the construction foreman stands as a linchpin of progress. This role blends hands-on expertise with leadership, overseeing crews and ensuring projects rise on time and on spec. The job description of a construction foreman revolves around coordination, supervision, and problem-solving, making it a cornerstone of the building trade. Let's dive into what this position entails, the skills it demands, and why it's a vital force in shaping our physical world. What does a construction foreman do? A construction foreman is the on-site leader who directs a team of workers, carpenters, laborers, or masons, to execute a project, from houses to highways. They bridge the gap between blueprints and reality, managing tasks, timelines, and safety under a superintendent or project manager's guidance. Whether pouring concrete or framing walls, they're the boots-on-the-ground boss keeping the job rolling. Think of them as the quarterback of a construction crew, calling plays, rallying the team, and adjusting on the fly. They're the gritty maestros who turn plans into brick-and-mortar triumphs. Core responsibilities in focus. The job description of a construction foreman adapts to the build but centers on key duties. Here's what they typically manage. 1. Crew supervision. They assign tasks, digging footings, setting rebar, ensuring workers stay on track and productive. 2. Project coordination. Scheduling deliveries, syncing trades like plumbers or electricians, they keep the timeline tight. 3. Quality control. Checking alignments, inspecting pours, or testing frames, they enforce standards and catch flaws. 4. Safety enforcement. Leading safety talks, checking gear or spotting hazards, they keep the site incident-free. 5. Problem resolution. Fixing delays, rain-soaked ground, late supplies, they troubleshoot to keep momentum. These tasks cast the foreman as a leader and doer, eyes on the plan, hands in the dirt, driving builds to completion. Skills that define the role. To excel as a construction foreman, a rugged skill set is essential. Construction know-how leads. Mastering trades, reading plans, or gauging materials takes years of grit. Leadership shines. Motivating a tired crew or settling a spat demands authority and tact. Time management is key. Balancing deadlines with quality keeps chaos at bay. Problem-solving matters, too. Rerouting a trench or patching a snag tests ingenuity. Stamina rounds it out. Long days in sun or mud push physical and mental limits. A day in the life of a foreman. Let's shadow Jamal, a foreman on a commercial site, a new office block. His day starts at 6 a.m. with a toolbox talk. Today's pour needs perfect timing. By 7, he's directing concrete trucks, guiding the pump as slabs form. At 8:30, a rebar snag slows prep. Jamal jumps in, cutting and tying to speed it up. Mid-morning, he checks blueprints, walls align, he okays framing. At noon, a worker's late, Jamal reshuffles tasks, keeping pace. Afternoon brings rain. He shifts crew to indoor drywall, then inspects yesterday's beams. By 5 p.m., he logs progress, sight steady under his watch. He's out at 6, job on track. Challenges and rewards. The gig's got teeth. Weather bites. Jamal's rain pivot isn't rare, heat or frost test endurance. Crew clashes loom. Managing tempers or slackers drains patience. Pressure mounts. Delays cost big. One slip can derail weeks. Physical toll hits, too. Boots slog, back aches. But rewards rise high. Seeing a slab set, like Jamal's pour, feels solid. Pays strong, often with overtime, building a good life. Pride grows. Every wall up is his mark. The role's a ladder. Skills open doors to superintendent or beyond. It's a trade where sweat shapes skylines. Why construction foremen matter? Foremen are the heartbeat of builds. Without them, crews drift, schedules slip, and quality falters. Jamal's pour keeps the block on time. His snag fix saves cash. They're the unsung drivers who turn dirt into dreams, ensuring structures stand tall and safe. Midway through his career, the job description of a construction foreman proves its mettle during a crunch. A crane breaks. Jamal re-rigs with a backup, directs a double shift, and hits the deadline. His hustle saves the job, showing how foremen anchor progress under fire. The broader impact. Foremen shape more than sites. Their work fuels economies. Jamal's blockhouses jobs, spurs growth. In infrastructure, they build bridges or dams, linking lives. In homes, they craft shelters, grounding families. As cities sprawl, construction up 5% yearly per McKinsey, they meet demand, proving their roles reach. They also guard safety and legacy. A solid pour prevents cracks. Jamal's eye catches risks others miss. Their builds last decades, from schools to towers, leaving marks on history. It's a gig where today's mud becomes tomorrow's monument. Pathways and opportunities. Starting as a foreman often needs trade routes, carpentry, masonry, or labor, plus years on site, 5-10 typical. Jamal rose from laborer, learning concrete and framing, then took OSHA certs for cred. Apprenticeships or union gigs pave the way. Experience trumps all. Growth looms large. Jamal could climb to superintendent, project manager, or specialize, say, in high rises. Skills: leadership, logistics, transfer to estimating, safety, or contracting, offering a career with height and breadth. How does context shape the role? The foreman's gig flexes by build. In residential, it's homes, framing, roofing. In commercial, it's scale, slabs, steel. In civil, it's infra, roads, pipes. The core holds: lead, coordinate, finish. This range keeps the role vital across construction's sprawl. Technology's role. Tech's reshaping the trade. Jamal uses apps for schedules, drones for site scans, and tablets for plans. Laser levels nail precision, software flags delays. Basic tech savvy, syncing tools, reading digital specs, is now key, boosting speed but upping the ante. Tools of the trade. Foremen wield a rugged kit. Hammers, levels, and tape measures are classics. Jamal's level trues every pour. Modern twists, walkie-talkies, GPS, or safety apps, add edge. Each tool, old or new, drives their crew, turning plans into solid ground. The physical and mental dance. The job's a full-on grind. Strength hauls lumber. Agility climbs scaffolds. Mentally, it's a juggle, tracking crew, weather, and deadlines keeps Jamal sharp. Focus is all. A missed hazard risks lives. It's a ballet of brawn and brain, demanding both in stride. Conclusion. The construction foreman is the steady helm of builds, forging structures with leadership and sweat. They direct, fix, and finish, often unseen, always essential. From Jamal's site wins to countless projects, their work proves grit shapes the world. This role, tough yet triumphant, deserves a spotlight, whether in text or on screen.